Today, you'll listen to 10 simple English conversations you can use every day. Stay until the end for useful vocabulary and phrases. Let's get started. At the pharmacy. Hi, I'm looking for something for a sore throat.
Sure. How long have you had the sore throat?
About 3 days, and it hurts more in the morning.
Do you also have a cough or a fever?
I have a small cough, but no fever.
I recommend this throat spray.
How often should I use them?
Use the spray twice a day.
Thank you. I hope this helps.
You're welcome. Drink plenty of water, too.
Talking about a deadline. Hey, do you have a minute to talk about the report?
Sure. Is everything okay?
I'm a bit worried about the deadline.
What part is taking the most time?
The data section is more complicated than I expected.
I understand. Do you need help with it?
That would really help if you're available.
Let's review it together this afternoon.
Thanks. I really appreciate it. Calling customer service. Hello, I'm calling about an issue with my order.
I'm sorry to hear that. What seems to be the problem?
I received the wrong item yesterday.
I see. Do you have your order number?
Yes, it's 45821.
Thank you. I'll send the correct item today.
Do I need to return the wrong one?
No, you can keep it.
That's great. Thank you for your help. Meeting for the first time. Hi, I don't think we've met before. I'm Alex.
Nice to meet you, Alex. I'm Jordan.
Are you new to the team?
Yes, I started last week.
How are you liking it so far?
Everyone has been very friendly.
That's good to hear. Let me know if you need anything.
Thanks. I will.
Talking about being tired. You look a bit tired today.
Yeah. I didn't sleep very well last night.
Were you working late?
Yes. I stayed up finishing a project.
That sounds exhausting.
It was, but at least it's done now.
Try to get some rest tonight.
I definitely will.
Using public transportation. Excuse me, does this bus go downtown?
Yes, it does.
How long does it usually take?
About 20 minutes, depending on traffic.
Do I need exact change?
No, you can use a card or cash.
Thanks for the information.
No problem.
Asking about homework. Hi, I had a question about the homework.
Of course. What are you confused about?
I'm not sure how to start the last question.
Try reviewing the example from class.
That makes sense. I'll try that.
Let me know if you still have trouble.
Thank you for your help. Changing plans. Are we still meeting tomorrow?
I wanted to talk to you about that.
Is something wrong?
I need to work late, so I can't make it.
That's okay. Do you want to reschedule?
Yes, maybe later this week.
Thursday works for me.
Perfect. Let's do that.
Talking about feeling unwell. You don't look very well.
I've had a headache all day.
Did you take any medicine?
Not yet. I wasn't sure what to take.
You should probably rest and drink water.
You're right. I'll go home early.
I hope you feel better soon.
Thanks. I appreciate it.
A thoughtful goodbye. I had a really nice time today.
Me too. It was great catching up.
We should do this again soon.
Definitely. Let's not wait so long next time.
I'll message you later this week.
Sounds good. Take care on your way home.
You too. Talk soon. Before we finish, let's review some useful vocabulary and phrases together. Sore throat. Sore throat means pain or irritation in the throat. Example: I have a sore throat and it hurts when I swallow. Deadline. A deadline is the final time when something must be finished. Example: the deadline is tomorrow. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you is a polite greeting you say when meeting someone. Example: nice to meet you, I'm Alex. How are you liking it so far? How are you liking it so far is used to ask about someone's experience. Example: how are you liking the job so far? Public transportation. Public transportation is a system of buses, trains, or subways that people use to travel together. Example: I take public transportation to work. How long does it take? How long does it take is used to ask about how much time something needs. Example: how long does it take to get there? I have a question about. I have a question about is used to politely ask for information or help. Example: I have a question about the homework. Can we reschedule? Can we reschedule is used to ask to change the meeting time. Example: can we reschedule for Friday? I am not feeling well. I am not feeling well means you are sick or do not feel healthy. Example: I'm not feeling well today. Talk soon. Talk soon is used to say goodbye when you expect to talk again soon. Example: thanks for calling. Talk soon. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped. Come back for the next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now.